Good evening, Nana. Yes, we'll have to discuss with the same topic, applications of trigonometry. It is heights and distance. The previous class we have completed 5-6 examples related to this concept. Let's try to continue. As I said, first to try to draw the approximate figure, you have to understand the given question. First to draw the approximate figure. And let us see what he is asking. Yes, anyone has completed?
Yes, sir.
Harshavardhan completed. Any other? Rian? Okay. Harshavardhan? Harshavardhan, your answer? Yeah, so we can apply tan function. Yes. And you got option 3. Okay. Rian says option 1 is correct answer. Harshavardhan, similar question we have completed yesterday. Draw the approximate figure. The angle of elevation is given to you, but angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff when observed from the point at a distance of 60 meters from the foot is 30. The height of the flagstaff is what? Similar, he has given the distance between the flagstaff and an observer. So first you can draw the figure. So we have this is the flag. And this angle is given to you. What is this angle? This is 30 degrees. Okay. Angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff when observed from the point at a distance of 60 meters. 60 meters. He is asking just, I'm taking this is ABC. We can make use of tan 30. Make use of tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is H, divided by adjacent, that is 60. From this, H is equal to 60 into tan 30. You know that tan 30 value is how much? 1 divided by root 3 into 1 by root 3. As I said, whenever we have under the root of 3 in denominator, you can multiply and divide with the same, that is root 3 divided by root 3. Simple. Similar question we have completed. That root 3 into root 3 denominator value, which will become root 3 whole square, that is 3. It is 3 20 times. 20 root 3 is the required answer. Hope this question is clear. And for question number 2, you have to think over it, guys. I'll try to give the question. Problem number 2. Observe clearly, read the question clearly, and you can proceed. For question number 2. Hope we'll try to understand this question also. We'll try to understand this question also. Two towers are standing on a level ground. From a point on the ground midway between them, the angle of elevation of their tops are 60 and 30. If the height of the first tower is 100, I mean whose elevation is 60, the height is 100, height of the second tower. So first, we need to have the figure, guys. First, let us read the question carefully and understand the given question carefully. First, read the question carefully and understand what he is asking. So, two towers are there. You people are standing midway between them. You have to stand midway between them. Can I draw the approximate figure? This is one tower. This is one tower. I'm going to take this AB, and we people are standing here. We are standing here and we are observing, and this angle of elevation is given as 60, and whose height of the tower is 100. Nana, have you understand this point? And after that, another tower is also there, whose angle of elevation is given to you, that is 30 degrees, and which will be take it as some P point, and this is C and then D. He is asking what is the height of the second tower, that is H. Moreover, if I am taking that AP is equal to X, PC is also X, because AP is equal to PC. P is a point which is midpoint of AC. What is that P? P is midpoint of AC. We are standing midway between the two poles, two towers. So P is a midpoint of AC. Is it clear? P is what? Midpoint of AC. Hope you can understand the figure. Any doubts regarding to the figure? Any doubt regarding to the figure? Yes, please. You have to respond. Any doubt regarding to the figure?
No, sir.
If you are perfect in figure, then I can proceed for finding the value of what? CD. Now, as I said, AP is equal to PC is equal to X. Let it be, take it as X. Because P is a point where the observer is standing and he is observing top of the two towers, whose elevations are given as 60 and 30. And first tower height is given. Which formula we are going to use to get X value first? First, I need to calculate X value. So that same X value will be take it PC. I mean here also. Can I use tan theta formula? Yes. In a triangle ABP, tan 60 degrees is equal to, is it AB upon AP? Is it AB upon AP? Tan 60 degrees is root 3 is equal to AB value is how much? It is 100 divided by AP value is what? It is X. This X I am taking here, 100 divided by root 3. Hope you can understand this step. 100 divided by root 3. Yes. So I can keep 100 divided by root 3 as it is. And we can go for, what is that X? X is nothing but what, Nana? That is either AP or PC. Now, in a triangle, another triangle is also there. That is a PCD. Here I am going to take same tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite, that is a CD upon adjacent, that is PC. It should be 1 divided by root 3, guys, is equal to CD value is H divided by PC value is X. As I said, already I have calculated the value of X. Am I clear? Already have calculated the value of X. I can put X value here. That is 1 divided by root 3 is equal to, X will be on left hand side, is equal to H. Is asking height of that second tower. H is equal to 1 divided by root 3 into what is been by x? 100 by root 3. That root 3 will become 3. Your answer is 100 divided by 3. So h is equal to 100 divided by 3 is the required answer. So this point is important. Two towers standing on the level ground from the point on the ground midway. This point, this statement is important. You are standing between the two base towers. So P acting as a midpoint of AC. That is important, guys. Is it clear? Second question is clear. I'll go for the third one. Next problem. These questions are different, guys. I'm taking the next problem. Question number 3. First, understand the given question carefully. An observer 1.5 meters tall. An observer, what is the height of an observer? 1.5 meters tall. Let us see. 28.5 meters away from the chimney. 28.5 meters away from the chimney. The angle of elevation of top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degrees. The height of the chimney is what? What is the height of the chimney? Hope you can understand the given figure. First, you have to read the question carefully, and then we'll try to go for an approximate figure. Without figure, I cannot understand. An observer 1.5 meters tall is 28.5 meters away from the chimney. This is the chimney. And a person height, I'm taking C, E. He is a person. Let us see. The person height is given to you. AB is a person height, and it is also same as CD. What is the height of a person? 1.5. And here it is a person. He is observing the chimney. Am I clear? And he is how much distance away from the chimney? 28.5 meters away from the chimney. And I'm taking this is E, and this should be D. DE will be the chimney. CE, AB is the height of the person or observer. The angle of elevation is given to you as 45 degrees. Clearly, I'll write here. AB is equal to CE is equal to height of a person, that is 1.5 meters. Height of a person. Height of a person. Clear? And if it is AB is 1.5, CE is also 1.5. Now what is asking CD? What is the height of the chimney? Total height of the chimney. Right? So CD is equal to what we can write as CE plus ED. That CE value already he has given. Now I am going to take this DE value. Just find out DE value. And this is equal to C value is 1.5 plus ED. Let it be, take it as equation number 1. In a triangle, B, E, D. Nana already he has given BE is equal to how much? That is 28.5 meters away from the chimney, 28.5 meters. In a triangle BED, tan 45, because the adjacent side I am going to use, tan 45 is equal to, we require DE value, so DE upon BE. Tan 45 value 1, DE value is we can keep as it is. This is the requirement. That by what is the BE 28.5. So from this DE is equal to 28.5. Clear? Right. So this point, this value we can substitute here. ED value we can substitute here from equation number 1. CD is equal to 1.5 plus 28.5. That is 30 meters. It is CD is equal to chimney.
Sir, I also got the same answer.
Very good. Height of the chimney is what? It is a CD. But CD will be distributed as two parts, CE and the ED, which is a person height plus DE value. Hope this question is clear. We'll go for the next problem. On different concepts, different problems. And the previous two questions are from IIT questions, previous IIT questions. Previous two questions are IIT problems. So first read the question carefully and try to take an approximate figure. Here figure is important, Nana. Next problem, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. 2 slides. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have slide whose top is at height of 1.5 and is inclined at an angle of 30 to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters. Okay. And inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? What should be the length of the slide in each case? First, once again, you have to read the question carefully and try to draw the approximate figure. Yes, please. You have to draw the approximate figure. Here, 2 slides are there. One is of 3 meters high and another one is of 1.5 meters high. I can take the figure.
Sir, I got 3 meters, sir, answer. Length of the side of the children below of the age is 3.
Okay.
In 5 years, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Age 5 years.
Okay. So for your convenience, I'm taking the approximate diagram so that we can understand. This is I'm taking E. Now what he's asking, guys,
Yes, half days.
is asking AC and DE values. AC and DE values. That is H1 and H2. These are the two values he's asking because the inclined and then what
Sir?
should be the length of the slide in each case? Length of the slide.
Sir, below 5 years, I got 3 meters, sir, length of the
Hmm.
slide.
Okay.
I'm still calculating above 5 years.
Okay. Nana, DE value is given to you. Sorry, BD value is given to you. That BD value is given to you is equal to 1.5 and AB is also given to you, that is equal to 3 meters. AB is also given to you.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I got the length of slide as 2 root 3 meters, sir.
Yes, Srinidhi,
Sir, below 5 years it is 3 meters, sir. Above 5 years it is 2 root 3.
you got the same answer. Rian, Girish,
Yes, sir.
Sir, 5
3
years,
meters, that's
3
good.
meters, sir.
3
Same
meters.
answer.
Same answer. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Wrong answer, Girish.
You got 3 meters.
Yes, sir.
Try to keep in mute. Keep in mute. Yes. So below 5 years, his children below 5 years prefer a slide at a height of 1.5 meters. That means he's asking DE value H2, right? So first we can make use of in a triangle DBE, right? Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is BD, upon hypotenuse, that is DE. Clear? Sine 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2 is equal to BD value 1.5 divided by DE value, that is he is asking, that is H2, which implies that H2 is equal to 1.5 into 2. This should be 3 meters. H2 value is 3 meters. And the next point, what is asking? I am going to take another triangle, triangle ABC. Same, because hypotenuse is asking, opposite side is given to you. Sine 60 degrees is equal to, that is opposite AB upon hypotenuse, it is AC. Clearly, it should be root 3 divided by 2 is equal to AB value is how much? 3 meters clearly he has given. And AC value, that is H1. It is H1. Now we can apply cross multiplication. H1 is equal to 3 into 2 divided by root 3. As you know that this 3, I can write it as root 3 into root 3. We can write root 3 whole square into 2 divided by root 3. 1 root 3 will get cancelled. Your answer is 2 root 3. That is H1. So above 5 years, 2 root 3. Below 5 years, it is 3 meters is the required answer. Hope it is also clear. We'll go for the next problem. We'll try to extend. One more point. Let us see, guys, the next question. Hope we are able to understand this type of questions also. They are not so easy, but anyhow, we'll try to discuss this type of questions also. 1.5 meters tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. Find the distance walked from the building. You have to understand. The figure is important, guys. A building height is 30 meters.
Sir,
Yes, Krish.
we should find X value, no, sir?
Where is X? X is not given to you.
Sir, I got, sir, X value.
No, I'm not taking anywhere at X. What is mean by X here?
Distance walked towards the building, sir.
Yeah, distance between the 2 points. I mean, the starting position and the person, he wants to start at a position where he is standing and then he walks towards the building. At one particular point, he stopped his walking. What is the distance from the initial point to the
Final point.
point where he stopped? Yeah.
Can I tell, sir?
So how much you are getting?
19 root 3, sir.
Mm-hmm. We'll try to go for an approximate figure. Building height is given to you. The height of the building is given to you. We can have an approximate figure. Height of the building, that is OA, is given to you. It should be 30 meters. A person height, a boy height is given to you 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. And this is 30 meters is given to you.
So we should use tan, sir.
Yeah, tan function.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tan, sir. Opposite will be 29.
Is it 28.5? Is this value is 28.5? OA will be given to you is equal to 30. Next, OD is equal to 1.5. AD is equal to OA minus OD. This is equal to 28.5. Now we can get a CD value. Let's find out CD value first. Okay. And even if you want, you can find out BD also. Opposite side is given to you. BD and then CD. That's it. Simple tools that we are going to observe here. Clear? So first I am going to consider in a triangle A, B, D or ACD. I am going to take the first ACD in a triangle ACD. Tan 60 is equal to AD upon CD. We require CD value. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. AD value is 28.5. Yes or no? It is 28.5 divided by CD. So CD is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. Clear? Now, another triangle is also there. In a triangle, which triangle? ABD. The complete triangle you can take. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is AD, upon adjacent side, that is BD.
Sir, my answer
1
is
divided by
19
root 3.
over 3, sir.
Yes. 1 divided by root 3. AD value, it is 28.5. Divided by BD, we can take as it is. From this, BD is equal to, this will be on right hand side, 28.5 root 3. Clear? This is BD value. Now what he's asking? He's asking just a BC. Now, a person travel from one point to another point, that is BC is equal to BD minus CD. So BD and CD values already we have calculated. You can just subtract it. 28.5 root 3 minus CD value 28.5 divided by root 3. Now 28.5, you can take it as common. It should be root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Take LCM, 28.5. Take LCM, root 3 into root 3, that is 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Okay, so it should be what? 28.5 into 2. 28.5 into 2 divided by root 3. So based upon the options, you have to change. So you can write it as root 3 divided by root 3. As I said, root 3 will cut. You will get only 3. The numerator value 28.5 into 2 into root 3 divided by 3. So just you can do the calculation part, simple calculations. As you said, it is 9.5. 9.5 into 2 into root 3. It should be clearly 19 root 3. All these problems are angle of elevation. All these problems what we people are discussed, they are from angle of elevation only. So we'll try to have one question from angle of depression also. We can have one problem from angle of depression. Hope the previous question is also clear. Let's see the question. From the top of the building, height is h meters. The angle of depression of an object on a ground is alpha. The distance of the object from the foot of the building is. The options are given to you. The first option, H tan alpha. Second option, H cos alpha. It is the direct question. Third option, H cot alpha. Fourth option, H sin alpha. From the top of the building of height h meters, the angle of depression of an object on the ground is alpha. The angle of depression on the ground is alpha. Can we have the figure?
Sir, is it
Let's have the figure.
H
Yes.
cot alpha, sir?
You are getting H cot alpha.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see the figure and we'll try to discuss. Take A, B, C. And the angle of depression means, let's take the horizontal line. This is alpha. Angle of elevation means if you are observing that this is an alpha. This is alpha. What we are going to take means elevation means upward. Depression means of depression is given to you as alpha. Clear? Hope the figure is clear. I am taking the horizontal line, which is x-axis, the depression, the point where the point is there, that at the point C. You are observing the point C and we are standing here. Here we are standing. The point, the position of the point of the observer is B, and we people are observing the point C. Clearly he has given from the top of the building height H. The angle of depression is an alpha. The distance of the object from the foot, I am going to take this as some x. Let it be considered as x. Distance between the foot and the object. This is an object. This point is an object. Clear? Nana, if it is an alpha, is it an alpha? Am I clear? Hope you can understand.
Yes.
X,
Corresponding angle.
B, yes, alternate, X, B, C. X, B, C is equal to what we can write? Is it BCA? Angle BCA. What is that? It is an alternate angle. Alternate angles. Alternate angle. Now he's asking the value of x. Can I make use of tan alpha? In a triangle ABC, tan alpha is equal to opposite, that is h, upon adjacent, that is x. Because I am going to take AB upon AC. So he's asking the value of x, that is the distance between the base of the tower and the object. Tan alpha, that he is asking x value, you will get h divided by tan alpha. But this is not given. 1 by tan alpha means that is cot alpha. H into cot
Sir,
alpha
the
is the
angle of
required answer.
depression is alpha or A, sir?
From where you are getting A?
In the question, it is looking like A, sir.
No, what I am telling, I am representing A or alpha.
Alpha.
Then why you are asking A? From where you are getting A? Angle always alpha, beta, gamma, like that I have given. Correct? Yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
is H into cot alpha, Nana. Hope the question is clear. Yes.
Sir, how is h by x h by tan alpha, sir?
Just cross multiplication because we require x value. They are interchanged. That's it. Cross multiplication. This x will be on left hand side. I can write it as x tan alpha is equal to h or not.
Yes, sir.
So from this x is equal to h by tan alpha.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it from this topic. We'll continue in the next class. That's it for today, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye bye. Good night to all of you guys.